In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a website in Notion. Notion has rapidly become one of the go-to tools for organizing everything from personal notes to complex databases, thanks to its intuitive interface and robust features. One of its handy functionalities is the ability to link text to external websites seamlessly, and that's exactly what we'll be exploring today. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Notion workspace and navigate to the specific database or page where you'd like to add a web link. Whether you're organizing your daily to-dos, managing a project, or keeping track of your favorite recipes, adding hyperlinks can enhance your Notion experience by providing easy access to external resources. Once you've opened the desired page, the next step is to identify the word or phrase in your text that you want to transform into a clickable link. This could be anything from a project name that links to your project's web page or an author's name that connects to their online portfolio. Highlight the word or phrase, and you'll notice a small pop-up menu that offers various options. Among these, you'll find a choice labeled Add Link. Selecting Add Link will prompt a field where you can paste the URL of your chosen website. It's a good idea to have the website open in another browser tab so that you can easily copy the URL. Simply go to the tab, highlight the web address, and copy it to your clipboard. Returning to Notion, paste this URL into the field provided. Notion automatically underlines the highlighted text, signifying that it's now hyperlinked and ready to take you directly to the designated web page with just a click. This handy feature is perfect for linking your Notion entries to relevant external content. It can greatly enhance the functionality of your workspace by creating a seamless bridge between your notes and the wider web, making it easier to reference websites, articles, and other online resources. Remember, if you ever need to edit or remove the link, just click on the linked text and a similar pop-up will appear, offering you the option to modify or delete the hyperlink. It's all quite straightforward and designed to keep your workspace as dynamic as possible. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to incorporate web links into your Notion pages. This feature can significantly boost your productivity by providing quick access to relevant external information directly from your Notion notes. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps make your Notion experience even more efficient. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your use of Notion, and happy organizing.